everybody. Just woke up. I don't have a watch on yet, so it's almost 7. We both had bad dreams. So going through the night, I thought this hotel was decent last night, but besides the cigarette holes when we walked in on the bed sheets and the stains on the mattresses, I was like, whatever, it's fine. And then I walked into the bathroom this morning and almost tripped into the toilet because there is a missing tile right here. And then I was gonna take a shower. I was like, where the hell's the towels? There's no towels. Literally no towels anywhere. Like, I've never seen a hotel with no towels ever. In the history of hotels, that's like a thing, right? So thank God Sierra Wire gave me a beach towel so I could dry my wet body this morning. Yeah, we're just packing up. I'm gonna hit the road. Only 574 miles to go. So it'll just be a short, 9 hours, maybe 8 hours, I don't know. So that's where we're at this morning. I'm gonna go downstairs, eat some free breakfast, if it's actually free, if it's actually there. And the Wi-Fi didn't work either, so this place is just like it went from like a 8 out of 10 down to like a 2 out of 10, maybe a 3. So that's where we're at. If they have free Belgian waffles, it's gonna go back up to like a 5 or 6. So we're gonna go check it out. All right, guys, 5 seconds until I'm happy. Hotel waffles, one of my favorite things ever. Oh, baby. Golden brown every time. Where's the stick? Alright, I'll just dress this up.
You getting ready to go home, huh? Yeah.
Alright, here we go. It's pretty good. All the butter.
As good as you want it to be?
Pretty close. Pretty close to as good as I want it to be. Alright, here at Allsup's. Never heard of that place before. Getting some gas, going to the bathroom. Paige had to go to the bathroom. I have to go to the bathroom, need some gas. And yeah, almost out of New Mexico, pushing Texas. Under 400 to go. Alright, found another 75 mile an hour zone. Didn't even realize we were in Texas. It didn't even tell us, so that's exciting. New state for Paige. And we're almost out already. I mean, it's gonna be short. We're just going through the top left corner of Texas, so yeah, we're almost out. So anyways, not much out here, just some flat ground and some power poles. Not much, just a couple cars coming at you head on, trying to pass on the other side, which is terrifying sometimes. But other than that, things are going smooth. Knocking some miles down, about, what I say, under 300 now. So yeah, we're still arrival time about 5:45, 6 p.m. at Trevor's house, and it's about 1 p.m. right now. So 4 or 5 more hours. Things are going smooth. Thought I'd give you guys an update. Paige is just crocheting the shit out of this car right now, so just crazy fast. So anyways, that's all I got. See you guys in a bit. Alright, Oklahoma, there we are. We made it to Oklahoma, Paige.
We're in Oklahoma now.
New state, who dis?
Is this new for you too?
I think I've been here before, but if I haven't, now I have, so.
Alright.
We're just going through the panhandle of Oklahoma. They have these random pop-up cities where you have to go from 75 to 35 real quick. So, yeah, I'm just going through the city, and then we'll be back probably up to 75, hopefully. So, hell yeah. Do we have the maps up here? Maybe not. Anyways, the maps are 260 miles or below, 254 miles, 4 hours and 14 minutes. All right, guys, give you guys a little update. We're in Hooker. Literally, it's called Hooker. We're in Hooker, Oklahoma right now. Past halfway through the Panhandle. On to Kansas soon, the last and final state to Trevor's, because he lives in Kansas. I just went to the bathroom. I got like a quarter tank of gas, but mainly I cleaned the window. If I didn't just say that, it was really bad. So I cleaned that, got a quarter tank of gas, went to the bathroom, and I told Paige to go to the bathroom. She said she didn't, so I said force it. So I forced her into the bathroom, and she's gonna go to the bathroom. So we'll see if it worked. But that's about it. Gonna hit the road. Another 240-ish miles or below, and that's under 3.5 hours. So I'm assuming once we get closer to Kansas, it's gonna be like 40 to 50 miles an hour zones and stuff like that. So it's gonna take longer, but so far so good. Everything is going good, no problems. Just jamming out. Paige still crocheting on and off. So see you guys at Trevor's, I guess, unless there's another stop before then. All right, speed limit drop, sad face, 65. We just made it to Kansas. It said so, but here's a sign that says we're in Kansas. Kansas. And we have 197 miles to go, 3 hours and 18 minutes. All right, guys, just landed, made it. Arctic Vet, me, Rotter Files, Jeep here at the house. They are gone at their pre-wedding ceremony rehearsal, so we're gonna break into the back of the house, maybe do some laundry. I don't know what time they're getting back, but there will be pizza, which we are excited about because we're hungry. But we freaking made it. We're excited, so excited to be done driving and excited to hang out with the besties. So this is it. All right, guys, keep you posted. We made it safe. All right, we managed to make it into the house. Just put my laundry inside and some soap. So sorry, Trevor, if this explodes, but we're gonna see what we can do in the midst of your absence. So, I mean, normal, baby, start it up. Hold on, that's not the start button. Help me out, Paige. I'm kind of retarded. That's the start, right?
Yeah.
That's on, that's off.
It's on normal.
Where do I start it? That's literally what I just did twice. Thank you. All right, now we're cooking. Oh yeah, gonna have some clean underwear. Nice, excited for that. All right, Trevor and Jessica will be back shortly. I am gonna crunch some numbers. Paige is taking a shower, and then we're gonna have pizza. So, probably gonna miss it when they walk through the door because I'm not gonna be ready unless I hear them. But we'll be making videos. We'll be here soon, so it's gonna be a good time. I can't wait. I'm in their freaking living room. Let's go. They're here. Called it.
Yo, I'm so excited for food.
I mean, to meet Trevor and Jessica. Yeah.
How's that? John, they're still driving, apparently.
We'll just wait down, I guess. Live action out here in Kansas. This dude just got gobbled up. Still going for it. All right, we're waiting for Trevor and Jessica. They're not here yet, but got some good lighting though, so that's all that matters. Here they come. Paige, take the camera. Okay. All right.
John. They're doing.
and I turn the headlights off. Going in for the kill.
You know your light's on.
Alright, stay up on me. Yeah, false alarm. Let's go.
Hi.
Oh, hey, what's up?
Pizza wouldn't fit. We had to open the trunk. We had to hold it on right here.
Oh my gosh.
For a pizza?
For the beach party.
Hi.
Dude, this is stoked.
This is huge. Hi, Jessica.
Alright, so we got both corners. I'll get this corner and take you out a little bit. Alright, go ahead and
All right,
open
then go
gate.
get the door.
Wait, no,
Yeah,
just leave
here.
it.
Lily, go
I'm
get
just
the door.
gonna-
Yes, ma'am.
There we go. There we go.
Oh my gosh.
You ever seen a pizza this big?
I present you with the pizza.
Not that big, a little smaller.
Alright, we good?
Trevor,
Hey.
Jessica, and pizza. Oh my gosh. That's insane.
AJ's.
There's 2 of them.
That's real strong.
Alright, tell them what we're doing,
We're
Paige.
here at Walmart for an ice cream run. Your girl needs it.
Yeah.
With Dawn.
With Dawn, thanks for driving us.
Oh,
This
yeah, anytime.
PA Car Obsession, check him out on Instagram.
Thank you.
Also got a blue Corvette just like mine.
Should have brought it.
Should have brought it. He
He
should
brought the
have.
Jeep Gladiator though, which I'm like.
Which really supported us
I
going to Walmart, so it was the right decision.
Yeah.
So we're going to check out some ice cream.
I'll bring it next time.
We're gonna see what we're gonna get. So Paige already knows what she wants, so I don't know what's
Ben and Jerry.
happening here. So keep you posted.
Caramel and cookie dough.
It's too late. You made your choice. It's time for pistachio. $3.98. It's happening.
Help me choose.
You already made your choice.
Chocolate and brownie. I mean, cookie dough and brownie, or cookie dough and caramel.
You wanted that. You wanted that one.
Yeah, but that sounds so good.
What'd you get?
I got chocolate peanut butter.
Chocolate peanut butter. Wise.
Yeah, can't go wrong with that.
We gotta go.
Did you say caramel or caramel?
Caramel.
Caramel. What do you say?
I would say,
Caramel or caramel?
I say caramel.
That's how you do it. All right, we're back. We got the ice cream. Dawn, if we didn't already mention, Dawn drove from Pennsylvania. Paige flew to Pennsylvania. We drove from San Diego to Kansas, so Paige is on like
Lots of miles.
4,100 miles or something, and I'm only on like 2,500, so.
And now we're gonna watch a movie?
Yeah, we might go watch Deadpool and Wolverine, so keep the kids outside. Right. The pistachio ain't pistachioing.
His dogs are out.
My dogs are out, don't look. How's yours? How's yours?
Good.
Dawn, review?
I need to talk about
Out of 10. Out of,
It's just what I needed.
perfect. I wish mine was more pistachio-y, but
Yeah, that's
No, it's delicious.
you don't have to do.
Here, let me take a bite.
Alright, ready? Here's the.
Don't do my dogs.
Oh, what do you got?
This is the real good
It's not
stuff.
that good.
Gelato.
Alright, Paige just got free clip-on earrings. And she said how they look. I said they look fake. She said I can have a pair, but I'm just gonna make my own.
At least one.
How's that tea, Paige?
It's really good. We're having a tea party. With their hats. This is so cute. Cheers.
Cheers.
Yes.
And the gold cups.
I need you to be my camera woman.
Mm.
Duty calls.
He's like, this is driving me nuts. Can I take this off yet?
Trevor has had this light up for, I don't know, half a year at least, and he left the plastic on. So I'm gonna do him a favor, the wedding present, to remove this. But I'm actually just gonna get it on the bed because it'll be easier. Good for the environment. I think Trevor needs to tighten these screws a little bit because it's about to fall out of the ceiling. Oh yeah, taking care of business in here.
Getting work done. Woo-wee. So, yeah, we forgot that faucet was up there. And then we noticed it like, I don't know, maybe a month ago.
A month?
And it's still been up there since we put it up.
It's YouTuber sleepover.
Let's go.
Is that styrofoam pulling on that?
Yes.
Oh no.
Yes.
I hate styrofoam too.
Sorry, not sorry.
Let's go. Wait, what? Is that thing like wrapped around it?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
It's really hard to
No wonder
cut.
we didn't take it off.
It's really hard to cut with these dull scissors. Look, it's snowing.
Oh no. He said happy wedding present.
Oh wow.